All right, we're here in Kissimmee, Florida, at World Food Trucks. There's over 100 food trucks here, and we're gonna do food truck roulette, where we're gonna pick a number on this map, and then we're gonna try the most popular item at each food truck. So we're gonna let Riker go first. Riker, push a number on the map.
Let's see what I get.
Probably not too Riker. Oh, he picked number 67.
No, I didn't. I did not mean to do that.
What is it?
Lost.
Number 67, that says Salvadorian food.
Oh.
Los
What?
Chipotes.
What?
All right.
Let's go find it.
All right.
Hello. What is your guys' most popular item?
What's your most popular food choice? Okay.
Can we get cheese and chicken?
No chicken.
Garlic. Cheese and garlic.
Yeah, let's do cheese and garlic.
Yeah. All right, Riker. Let's see what papusa is.
These kind of red. Ooh,
Oh, that looks exciting.
that looks good. I don't know what that is.
You're gonna eat it anyway.
No, I'm not.
You gotta try it.
Oh, look at that. There's cheese on the inside. Hot. Really hot. Smells good.
That looks like just a bite of cheese. This is hard to watch.
I don't know if he means it. Does he mean it?
Cheese bread. This is cheesy bread. I like it.
No, cheesy bread?
That's like cheesy cheese.
Interesting.
It's really good. It was pretty hot when it came out. It's cheesy garlic and it's like deep fried or something. And there's this sauce. I didn't try that. My sister did. She said it was pretty good today. And this pink stuff. What did you say about it, Dad?
It tastes kind of like sauerkraut.
Yeah. And overall, it's pretty good. Approved.
All right. We're going to let Hannah pick her food choice. All right, Hannah. Pick one. Pick one.
Pick one.
Just touch one. Mr. Juice.
Oh, it's the one.
Oh, juice.
Juice
right
and
there.
smoothie.
It's right there.
All right.
I'll take a smoothie.
That sounds really good.
What's your most popular juice? Yes. Okay.
Here's your juice, Hannah.
Here we go. Try it. You like it? Yes or no?
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hannah's really doing a number on this juice. Pineapple and mango juice, really good. I would tell you Hannah drank all of that by herself, but that would not be the truth.
Did you like the juice, Riker? Mom? Let's go. I love pineapple juice, so I love the smoothie.
It was also like really icy, and I love the ice with it. It like had some ice in it, and ice.
Look at me. Oh yeah.
All right, Reagan's gonna pick food truck roulette.
Oh, right there. Ooh, Roppin' Crabs Cajun Seafood.
Oh, yummy.
All right, we gotta find this place now. All right, Reagan's choice was Rappin' Crabs, and we got the Harley fries, shrimp and fries. It sounds like it's gonna be really good, so stay tuned on that.
Alright guys, I have my, what's it called?
Harley fries.
My Harley fries here. We're gonna see how they look. They look good on the picture. It feels pretty heavy.
That's a good thing.
Wow. That looks good.
Oh my, that looks really good.
It looks good and it smells really good too.
I can't smell it from here.
Look at that.
Got a little piece of shrimp, a little fry. That's really good. I don't know what that sauce is. That's kind of a little sweet, a little heat. 10 out of 10.
Okay, now Rachel's gonna go.
What?
Yes, let's go now and order now. Oh, we're going to coffee. Number 90.
Number 90 is just coffee. We're gonna go get some coffee. The aromas.
Okay, let's go.
The aromas.
I am going to pick my food truck.
Because there was no one at her other one.
Yes, correct. Hot toppings fries.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
More fries.
They have lemonade. It shows they have lemonade. Definitely get a couple of those. It's really hot today. Get some lemonade. There's something new.
Yeah. What is your most popular item on the menu? Do you have a most popular? Okay. Here is bacon fries, bacon cheesy fries.
Oh, wow.
Those look pretty good.
Good.
I want to try the lemonade.
Remember, you're gonna pick some lemonade and seeds.
That's good. That's exactly what it says. Bacon cheesy.
I want to try.
That's good.
It's all included now.
Riker is demolishing these french fries.
Probably, this is probably the best thing. And this lemonade is good.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna go number 16. Funnel cakes.
A lot of.
I'm gonna try again. We're going again.
What?
Okay,
It's not roulette if you go again.
I'm gonna go number 94. Chilangos rolls.
What?
Rolled ice cream.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm gonna pick it again. Number 89.
Primo, pero todavía no vamos a comprar eso en Robertín. Yo voy a ir hasta
What do you get?
I don't know.
Another dessert place.
What?
Bakery.
That sounds. Yeah, please.
That is the Argentinian Bakery.
All right, that's official.
Okay.
They might have regular food.
We're going to number 89. Argentinian Bakery, but it says tropical snow on top of the truck.
That makes no sense. Let me see.
So I got number 89, the Argentinian Bakery. Doesn't look like they're open, unless you want a cold soda. That's all locked up. So we're gonna pick again. Let's see. I'm gonna go number 22. Taste of Haiti. All right, that sounds good. Let's go find number 22. Hi, how are you? Good. What is your most popular dish? Yes.
This is the first one.
All right, let's do it.
The first one with black rice?
Yeah. Yep. Nope. Yep. That's it right there, number 1. All right,
Time to eat a pig.
back with the Haitian dish.
Like,
Very authentic looking. They said this stuff was spicy, so don't just go crazy with it. Dip it in here. Very authentic tasting. That means it tastes like it comes from Haiti.
Is that spicy?
This is not. It's good.
Out of 10, Dad. Out of 10.
Definitely something you'd want to be in the mood for. I would give it an 8. 8 out of 10.
I
Still
think-
really good.
I
So there's a time and a place when you want to eat something like this. And when you do, this is spot on.
I didn't rate mine. I think it was pretty good. I give it a 7. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and I thought it was, all of it was pretty good. My favorite thing was these fries that we got. They were delicious. And the lemonade was also really good they had. And if you liked this video, please consider to like and subscribe. Bye.
say bye.
Bye.
Good view. Good view. Good view. Yeah, yeah.